like the car's running better in the city anyway. So I have a special one for you guys today. Short, but sweet and special. It's freezing out here. All the cars are frozen and it is cold. Really cold. It's about 18 degrees outside. Feels like 10. If you think I'm joking, bam. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you guys today about. Off-the-shelf tunes. Some people love it, some people hate it. I am definitely installing it into my car, and I'll let you guys know my overall goals. After we install it, let's go over some mods that I have upcoming for you guys, and then let's do some Draggy hits today. So let's unbox this bad boy and get this party started. So, check it out. Really small, actually, a lot smaller than I thought. I had already unboxed this, to be completely honest with you guys, but I'm still amazed about how it looks online on the stock photos and how it really just like smaller than my hand. So I like that. This is the COBB access port for my car. I ended up getting the option with the PDK. Shout out to my boy Fredo from New Hampshire. He gave me a crazy deal on this COBB access port. With taxes, it usually goes for about close to $4,000. I got it for way under that. Now, I have to give the car constant battery power because the car cannot lose any power while uploading the off-the-shelf tunes to this, or any tune to it. So I'm gonna plug up my battery pack to it, and I'm gonna start loading up the tune. And then we're gonna go over some mods, and then we're gonna hit the road.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.
So here we have it. I'm not gonna go into full, complete detail until it's time to install these bad boys. Last episode you seen, I had the Do88 box. I was really sick for over a week, so it was really hard for me to do any personal work, any car work, anything. So again, huge shout out to my boy Fredo. I drove all the way up to Massachusetts. He met me from New Hampshire, pretty much to give me all of these parts, minus the Do88 box. These are upgraded turbo inlet pipes. These are gonna allow the car to breathe a lot better with the restricted plumbing that it comes with from the factory. I have an AFE Magnum air filter. I have upgraded intercoolers by Wagner. I have 2 blow-up valves by Forge. I have a Do88 Y-pipe, IPD intake plenum, and I have mount inserts from Torque Solutions. After I install all of these parts, I'll be looking into either Standby Design, Custom Tune, or ES Motor via AIM. Drop a comment if you've ever worked with any of them. I'm curious to see what you guys are doing with your 911s. The tune is almost finished uploading in the car, so I'm going to finish that up. All right, so the OTS tune is loaded. Hopefully you guys get some focus there. Hopefully. Anyway, it's time to take this bad boy for a run. I'm gonna start it up. It starts, obviously. I still have the check engine light on for the O2 sensors, for the 4 O2 sensors that there are no cats. I wasn't expecting that to come off, but that's where a custom tune comes into play. I just don't wanna die in here. I'm gonna shut that off. I got my Draggy ready to go. I also have to make some runs in Manhattan. I'm gonna take you guys along for that. I'm gonna do everything one shot. So let me get the car at the garage and let's hit the road. So, I'm not gonna say it's a night and day difference, but I definitely feel the difference in the car with this COBB access port tune on it. Again, it's completely temporary because you can't fine tune the fuel trims and a car like this needs to be refined. However, I can feel the difference. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the difference. It sounds good, it feels good, you know, and I'm happy with the results as of right now. Again, headed into the city to do some shopping, and then we're hooking up the Draggy and seeing what kind of numbers we could pull out of the car. So we're in B&H right now, man. Picking up some equipment for the vlog. Doing really good numbers, so why not upgrade the equipment? Gonna need you guys to like, comment, subscribe now more than ever because this stuff ain't cheap. All right, thank you, sir. Have a good one. You too. Yep, new equipment for the vlog. Always good when you can get a free parking in the city, no ticket. This was almost us. So you know I had to stop out here to get that thumbnail pic. Feel like the car's running better in the city anyway. Yeah, I love those, man. If you can remember, it's Ride on Life NYC.
It's how?
You see it?
Okay, I subscribe.
Subscribe, good. That was a really nice E36 M3. That's where we started with the E36 platform many years ago. So I love those cars. We still haven't found a spot to do any Draggy hits yet. Guess we're going to Mexico City at this point, AKA. But yeah, we're going far out, and hopefully we're able to get a couple of Draggy hits in and see what kind of quarter-mile times we could achieve with the car.
Ready to roll. I had to come on.
Came all the way east just to get 2 hits. We're at exit on the IE, dedicated to the vlog. Dedicated to the vlog. I'm really happy about those numbers. I believe we did a 10.7, then a 10.58. Considering that these cars baseline anywhere from 10.6, 10.7, 10.8 in that range, I'm happy with those numbers. I think I expected a little bit more with the trap speed in the quarter mile, and that's where custom tuning will come into play. However, I have to put all those mods on the car first and then get the car custom tuned. So I'm not really interested right now in 60 to 130s or anything past quarter mile. I'm just looking for baseline numbers. So there you have it. Thank you again for joining me on this journey. I told you guys it would be short and sweet, but special. Let me know what you guys think about these city vlogs. If you guys would like to see me come out here and do a few more here and there. Happy holidays to your family from my family. Hope everybody enjoys their Christmas. And don't forget, no matter what, always keep pressing. Peace.